Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this short tutorial, I'm going to give you some advice on how you can create engaging explainer videos. Now, we are not going to focus on the technical aspects of video creation. We're going to focus on the methodology and the pedagogical aspects of engaging your audiences. Now, we're using PowToon for this tutorial, but you can easily use any other video editor or explainer video creator you wish. To start off, let's see how are we starting our video. A lot of teachers like to use pictures of themselves or various kind of illustrations. I like to use Bitmoji. Bitmoji is an app which you can install and add to your browser tab. Here it is. So explore a little bit and see how you can install Bitmoji if you like to add yourself to your presentations. Now, the best thing to do is to start a presentation with a question. For example, how can we make emergency remote teaching more effective with a limited amount of time? So we are creating a question which is engaging and pulling the audience right in, which makes them follow what you're saying. Then, make sure to have page breakers. What are page breakers? Well, I like to call them page breakers because they are kind of an introduction to the thing that I'm going to say. Every new topic has a number. If every new topic has a new picture, and I call it a page breaker. So it introduces the topic, tells the audience what are you going to talk about next, and gives them a little bit of anticipation to what they're going to see. Now, when you start showing something, try to use a lot of catchphrases. For example, LMS, one ring to rule them all. That's my favorite catchphrase, and it is a quote from Lord of the Rings, which is supposed to tell the teachers in literally one sentence that they can rule their classroom by only using one application. So try to use as less words as you can. Now, let's go to another video, which is about Bloom's taxonomy. This video is a little bit different, but again, it starts with a little bit of definition. It gives the teachers a little bit of theory, which is very condensed. So if you take a look at the text, do not overwhelm your slides with text, your videos with text, pardon me, because nobody's going to read everything. Put only the keywords, and then based on the keywords, you can talk freely. Some people like to create a full script. Some people like to improvise. I prefer improvising because I already know the topic and I have enough information on the slide. Make sure, as we can see here, to create a certain kind of scaffolding or a ladder. So your content needs to be logically connected, and you need to start from the beginning by giving a definition and then developing it into giving specific steps. Try to use as many visuals like this. For example, understand is a lock which is getting unlocked. Apply is a pencil which is writing. So it is very visual and clearly represents what you're talking about. Of course, when you finish off with a question. What is the application of what we just said in education, marketing, whatever you're dealing with? Then give specific benefits. And when you give specific benefits, highlight one big benefit of everything that you've just said. To finish off, say thank you, offer your website, or offer any other resources for further learning. If we go back to this first video, you can see exactly what I did, just as I said. You see a very short text, and then you see a reference. Since I am interested in academic studies, I really like to add some references so that people are sure that what I'm saying is research-based and not just my opinion. I think this is really important if you're doing both teacher training or discussing with students. Finally, as I said, this is completely the same concept. So try to do a short review before the end. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't matter how many parts do you have. And try to do a short review of what you've just done. Now, thank you for watching this video. Please check out my YouTube if you want to see the full video and you want to see how this explainer looks like with narration and in action. Thank you for watching again. Bye!